Look at this, you guys. We are still finding My Life As. And this is the My Life As horse. Look at how big this is. It says super soft coat and mane. And it is soft. I just felt it. Look at this. And this horse is huge. Posable legs. And let me turn it this way. So this is what it looks like. And look at the little tail. This is the only one I see over here. It includes the horse, the saddle pad, leg wraps, the brush, the ribbon, and certificate. There's the UPC. And babe, can you scan this? All right, he got his phone ready. Look at that, you guys. $12.45. $12.45. What do you think?
Outstanding. You know anything?
That's a good price. I don't know the regular price.
I don't know.
Is the regular price on Walmart.com? $12, you guys.
27.
All right, so the regular price is about 30 bucks. Look at that. So if you guys are looking for this My Life As horse, 12 bucks at Walmart. Here's the UPC. Look at this, you guys. Look at this. We seen these down here. And you guys can see the signage says $9.96. Look at this. We told you about these blankets before. This is why it's important to be subscribed to Angel on the Go so you guys don't miss any of these deals. And so you guys just don't walk past these things. Again, they're not marked, but right here it says $9.96. And again, these are for the Silky Soft Throw Spider-Man blankets. And what size is this?
40, 50.
All right, this is a 40 by 50. Super soft, you guys, super soft. And here's the UPC. We're gonna scan it for you again. Ready?
Yeah.
Look at how many. Now remember, the regular price is about 10 bucks. What is going on with Walmart's internet? Uh-oh. Keep spinning, keep spinning. There you go. $2.50. $2.50. $2.50. What are we gonna do? We got a bunch already. $2.50.
But you know what? When the next movie comes out,
When the next Spider-Man movie, yeah.
these things are gonna lie out.
You know what? When the next Spider-Man movie comes out, we're gonna have to take these blankets and sell them at the movie theater. All right, so they got all these right here. All right, so again, if you guys are at Walmart and you're down this aisle, which is the main aisle, and you see the Spider-Man blankets,
Storyteller.
boom, only $2.50. And this says the neighborhood delivery. What's that?
Huh?
What's neighborhood delivery? Am I reading that right? I don't have my glasses.
Mm-hmm.
What is that?
I don't know.
Spider-Man delivering something?
The neighborhood Spider-Man, the neighborhood,
Wow.
delivery.
I really don't care what kind of delivery boy he is. These are only $2.50. So we're going to go ahead and grab a few of these. Let us know below if you guys are able to score. And this is what it looks like. So this is the one that you guys are going to be looking for. Good luck. All right, so we're going to take a few of these. Can't go wrong with Spider-Man, you guys. You think you got enough?
Not yet. Now I got it.
Now you got enough. All right. So this should be an easy flip. Again, if you guys want to start reselling for 2021, this is the time to do it. Good luck. All right, so we're on our way looking for more clearance at Walmart. Are you tired?
Oh,
You.
just woke up.
I caught you. What are you doing?
I'm working.
It's 3 o'clock in the morning. You're supposed to be editing our videos.
I'm gonna do.
What
that.
are you doing?
I'm gonna do that next.
I wake up and you're not in bed. What are you doing?
I'm relaxing. I'm on my break.
You're supposed to be working.
Stop slaving me.
You're supposed to be working. You guys, I'm gonna flip it around. I'm gonna show you. Look at that. What's that duck?
You're a tattletale.
Who is that? Howard the duck?
Yeah.
That might be aging me a little bit. Which one are you? The duck?
Yeah.
Here's Manny right here. Anybody else on our channel play Fortnite? Let Manny know. Because he will be up with Alexia playing at 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning.
She says tattletale.
Can we please get back to work?
Oh, yeah. I'm right after this last one right here. It's the last one.
How are you awake right now?
Yeah, exactly.
I mean, I woke up because Daddy wasn't with me. And I was missing you. And I said, where is he? And he's gone. He's gone. For
She
real?
don't even buy that.
This what you do when I'm asleep?
No, I work hard. Normally I'm hard at work.
All you do is clearance shop and play Fortnite.
Like,
What a life.
what a life.
What a life.